Hi there! Today we are going to make a boy. So let's see what do we have in our book. Well, yes, we see 3 steps right here. Let's follow the steps and start making our memory drawing. Now that you know, we always start with the hair. So let's make the hair and then the face. Yes, we are going to make a U for the face. After that, let's make the ears and then the features of the boy. Yes, the features will include the eyebrows, eyes, nose and the mouth. After that, we are going to make his shoulders and then the t-shirt. This looks very interesting. Let's draw the entire thing and let it overlap one another. Once we are done with the entire drawing, we can erase it later. Make the legs properly now. And then make the shoes. We will make sure that we draw the entire posture of the boy properly. After that, we will start by making the face of our dog. It's such a cute dog, isn't it? Let's make the eyes, nose, and then the mouth. This looks amazing. Continue by drawing the body now. If you feel that you are going to make a mistake, then you can draw the entire thing lightly. But if you're confident about it, you can draw a dark drawing. Check the details which are given in this drawing and draw it nicely. Make a furry tail for our dog. And then start giving the details for the boy's t-shirt and then make the face as well. This looks interesting. Once we are done with that, it's time for us to paint this entire picture. Let's go ahead with a beige color or an ochre color at first. We will take some water in our brush and then take the paint. Yes, we will take it in the palette. And after that, we will start painting the body of our dog. Make sure you take a smaller brush for the entire painting. Yes, we are going to paint thinner sections, hence we will require a thin brush. If you feel that this brush is not okay, you can switch your brush and start painting again. This looks interesting. Let's paint the entire dog in a similar way. Yes, we will do the outline and then paint inside. If you feel that your brush is working a little rough on top of the paper, you can take some more paint and paint again. This looks lovely. Continue painting the body of the dog and then complete the entire thing in a similar way. Be very careful while painting the fur. That's brilliant. Once we are done with that, we will move forward by painting with another color. Let's take purple color now. Well, we can take the paint from the cap itself. Once we are done taking it, let's make a line at first. Yes, this looks very dark. Continue making it for the U of the neck. And after that, let's take some water and mix it with a little bit of paint. Here, we need a lighter shade. Hence, we are using more of water and less of paint. And look at that. We got such a beautiful color right here. The shade looks amazing. The next thing we do is take some blue right here. And then we are going to do something. Let's see. We are going to add a little bit of black to this. Yes, for a darker shade. Let's take this paint and then take some more blue to it. Yes, because this paint got a little darker. Now we have a bluish grey color. Looks very interesting. Let's take some purple color and blend it with it. We got such an interesting color, isn't it? Let's paint the pants with this. Yes, we see a few sections which are a little darker and a few sections which are a little lighter. So let's paint the darker sections at first. And after that, take some water and start smudging it. This will give us a beautiful shade right here. Blend the colors well. And then do the shoes as well. Yes, with the same color. Now that we are done with this, we are going to move to the next color, which is blue. Let's take a very light blue and do the shoes. Something like this. Go ahead by painting it slowly and intricately. That looks amazing. The next thing we do is take some skin color or peach color and start doing all the body parts. At first, we will take this and do the face. Try and avoid painting inside the eyes and the mouth. Just like this. Continue painting the same color in the hands. And then the neck. Don't forget the ears. And after that, let's take a little bit of yellow and mix it with our skin color. Now we can use this for the dog's body. Looks very interesting, isn't it? Continue painting this in a similar way. That's lovely. Give the pants a nice finishing touch up. Make sure you close all the colors properly so that they don't dry out. Let's take a little bit of brown color or a burnt amber color and do the nose of the dog. And then let's use the same color for the hair as well. Be very careful while painting the hair as we have a lot of zigzag lines here. Do not go out and paint very slowly. This looks quite interesting. Let's paint the eyes as well. And finally, let's use the skin color for this part. We can also use a sketch pen for the mouth. Let's color this with a sketch pen now. Looks interesting. Paint the entire drawing in a similar way and make sure that you shut all your colors. Once your drawing is dried up, we can start sketching this. But before that, let's do all the finishing touch-ups with our other colored sketch pen. That's brilliant. Let's take black colored sketch pen and sketch the entire drawing. We will go very slow while sketching the entire thing. At any given point of time, if you feel that your drawing has not dried out, you can wait and then sketch it later. Yes, once your drawing is completely dried out. Sketch this slowly and nicely. Well, yes, we need to complete sketching this in a similar way. Give it all the finishing touch-ups. If you feel that you've missed out on anything, please feel free to do it once again. Yes, we had to make these lines with the help of white color. So once your entire drawing is dried out, we do this.